Hi kitty cats. I know the lighting in here isn't especially good. I can't turn the overhead lights on because of my eye. It just really bothers my eye. So we kind of keep it very low light in here. Although looking in the camera, it looks a lot brighter than it actually is in here. It must be the light coming from the window making it like that. I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna look though when I actually, you know, edit it and put up on YouTube. Just looking in the camera, I'm like, oh, that seems really kind of bright. Like I'm having a little trouble looking at myself, right? So if I don't always look directly in the camera, it's because it's bothering my eye. If you don't know about my eye, I'm going to explain it to you. I am going to do a little unboxing, by the way. I'm not just going to sit here and chat about my eye. But I am going to explain to you that I ended up with an ulcer in my eye. What happened is I have psoriatic arthritis. My eyes get really dry. And I have to take lubricating eye drops. But sometimes, you know, they think that maybe I rubbed my eye or something of the sort and scratched it, and then some bacteria got into it and it caused the ulcer. So yeah, it's been a very, very slow healing process. At one point my face was like all swollen. It affected my sinuses. My teeth even hurt on this side just from the swelling in my face. It was a very long, it's been a very long process. It's still not healed. If I take my glasses off, you'd probably be able to notice it even more, how different my eye looks from the other one. But it's been a slow healing process, so I haven't been on here because, like, I can't put eye makeup on when, you know, I can't really like mess with my eye too much, except to put antibiotic drops in it and a steroid ointment in it. Like, there's a lot that's been going on. I also had to take oral antibiotics for a while. Those have stopped finally a couple days ago. And now we're just doing the drops and the steroid. So yeah, it's been rough and very uncomfortable. It's not so painful now, as it just kind of feels like there's something stuck there. So it's just slightly uncomfortable, but much more doable than what it was before. But still, I can't put makeup on. So I'm just going to be doing some unboxing videos for a little while. And which sucks because I really was only doing unboxing videos most of the time. And I can't really do any kitchen videos because my stove is all messed up from the small kitchen fire that we had. Yeah, things been crazy for like a couple months. And so I'm not really comfortable because my stove looks all messed up now because part of it is like black from where it was burned, and we've scrubbed it, and we need to find, like, there's a special kind of paint that we need to find. It's like heat resistant paint that you can use on the stove. And I don't even know how to find such a thing. Like, I don't know how to go about it. I guess we're just gonna go to the hardware store and ask. But, so there's been a lot going on. And a few people know because I have mentioned on my Instagram stories things that have been going on. But not everybody know. Like, I had one friend that, he had not seen my Instagram stories that much. And so he found out, like, after I'd already kind of healed up a bit, and was so upset that he didn't know. But now I'm letting you all know this is what's been going on. This is why I haven't been on here on YouTube. And on Instagram, I've just been, like, typing things out until recently, when I started, like, a couple days ago, I started, like, putting my face on there again. Because my face was all swollen up, and I didn't want anybody to have to look at that. Anyways, so yeah, won't be doing any makeup videos, which sucks because I was just starting to be like, yeah, I gotta do some makeup videos of all this makeup. I need to wear it. I need to show you guys like how it looks. But I really can't right now because of my eye. Because I can't put any eye makeup on that eye. And it would be look really weird for me to do one eye. So anyways, I'm gonna do a little unboxing, and this isn't even makeup. These are, I went on Etsy and got some wax melts. And you guys know, once in a while I do like wax melts or candles on here. And I thought that was a good thing to start off with. So I bought wax melts from a shop on Etsy. And at the moment, I'm like, can't remember. I hate these things so much. Press firmly to seal. It doesn't say anything about how to open it though. Where can I open it easily? Nowhere. Okay. Sometimes they have like a little strip that you can rip, but not on this one. So we're just gonna... Oh, that was painful. Alright, so yeah, we've got some scents here. What is the name of the company? SCOTLIN scents on Etsy. So that's where you would get these. I've been having trouble finding like wax melts lately. Like companies that I used to buy from have shut down. And so I've just been like, oh, I have to find another new shop that does it. But I guess there's not a lot of money in wax melts. I thought they were more popular than that. This one is brown sugar and fig. I'm not getting much. Honestly, I'm really not getting much of a scent off of this at all, which is disappointing. But you know what? When I melt it, it might be different, as happened to me before. So we'll see about that one. That was brown sugar and fig. Hopefully some of the other ones I can get a better smell. This is cucumber and sea salt. Like, I used to get like ones that had like geeky names, but I was like, I'm just gonna go for like regular. This is very strong. Okay, this one's strong. It's definitely got that like cucumber scent to it. And it smells also a little perfumey, which is odd because it's just supposed to be cucumber and sea salt. But we'll see. This one's baby powder. I actually love the smell of baby powder, so yes. I mean, also, it smells like baby powder, but then there's also kind of a perfumey type scent, it seems. It's weird. Like, I'm wondering if that's gonna, like, show up when I actually melt these guys, you know? None of these have any, like, color to them. Like, a lot of companies, they, you know, color them. These are not colored at all. They're just plain. I think it was a mixture of soy and another wax. This is coconut lime. Okay, that's what I wasn't paying attention to that before. So they have like the top note, middle note, and bottom note. The top note is lime, the middle note is musk, and the bottom line is coconut. So, and now I'm getting it. I'm like, okay, I get why. Like, this doesn't have a perfumey, but there's definitely like a deep scent in there besides the coconut and lime. I really like this one. This one I like a lot. So I'm going to go back and look at the other ones again just to see what those... Like the baby powder, the top note is rose. That's where that perfumey scent is coming from. The middle note is jasmine and cedar. And the bottom note is musk and violet. So it smells like baby powder. But it also smells kind of perfumey. And that's why. Because there are these... That's that rose that I was smelling. Because rose scent always has that perfumey, you know, scent to it. The cucumber is sea salt. The top note is ocean. The middle note green cucumber, and the bottom note is musk. Okay. And the brown sugar and fig. Top note is sweet maple. Middle note is caramel, and bottom note is sugar amber. I can't really smell any of it though. like, it's barely there. Like, it sort of smells sweet, but it's not as strong as the other ones. So, okay, I just lost one, fell on my foot. So, there were 2 boxes in the package. So let me get this one open. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, there's a little note in this one. And it came with a little sticker. It's okay not to be okay. True enough. Hey, so I'm back. I had a little technical difficulty. Of course, that was nothing new, but I had to stop. So I've got 3 more here. Oh no, not 3 more. That was the other one. How many more do I have? Ooh, 4 more. Okay. I got 4 more, plus she gave me a little sample of dragon blood. So that's a very small sample. I don't even know if that will do anything, but anyways, so the other scents, I got jasmine. Oh my, that's quite strong. And the top note is green, middle note orange flower, and bottom note is jasmine. It's quite strong. Then we've got Fruit Loops. Top note lemon, middle note berry fruit, and bottom note citrus. And I'm hoping that this is going to be the same as that one I used to get from Zany Laney. That was my favorite. That was like the Harry Potter one. It was like lemon something. And it smelled like Fruit Loops to me. So I'm hoping that this has that same scent. Yes, it does. It smells just like that. That makes me really happy. Like, if anything, like, if any of the errors I don't like, I won't care because I've found this scent. Only thing is, Zany Laney had a body spray you could get in this scent too, which was really awesome. But the fact that I can even just get it as a wax melt is really great. Like, that makes me, I think it was called, what was it called? Lemon sherbet, maybe? I don't know. It was supposed to be like from Harry Potter, and I can't remember now. My brain just isn't working well enough. This one's lilac flowers. Lilacs are my favorite flower, and you know, they only come around once in the spring for like a couple weeks and they're gone. I'm not sure about this one. Top note floral lilac, middle note viney stem, and bottom note is green floral. It doesn't smell like lilacs to me. I mean, it smells nice, but it doesn't smell like lilacs to me. So, yeah, on that one. And watermelon lemonade, which is another favorite scent of mine from other companies. So I'm hoping that this one is good. Yeah, that's nice. It smells like watermelon lemonade. Top note watermelon, middle note lemon, bottom note green sugar. So, most of these were pretty good. A couple of them I feel like might be flops, but maybe when I'm actually like melting them, they'll have a different scent. The lilac flowers, I'm not sure about. That seems kind of like a flop to me. The jasmine, let me smell that again. Jasmine one I like. The watermelon lemonade I like. And the Fruit Loops is awesome. That's just... The coconut lime, I think I liked that one. Yeah, that one's pretty nice. The brown sugar and fig, I don't... It just smells like sweet. It doesn't really smell like brown sugar and fig. The baby powder is... I'm not sure. It's a maybe. Like, it smells like baby powder, but it also smells kind of perfumey. I'm unsure about it, so it's kind of like, we'll see what happens. And then I have one other that fell on the floor. Give me a minute. Oh. Okay, got it. It is the cucumber sea salt. That one, I think, yeah, this one is good too. So, the ones that I think are probably gonna flop are the brown sugar and fig and the lilac flowers. Like, I'm really disappointed in the lilac flowers. That does not smell like lilac to me. I'm hoping when I melt it, it will smell like lilacs. But right now, it doesn't smell like lilac to me. And the baby powder one, I'm kind of on the fence. We'll see what happens when I melt it. So that's everything. And I'm going to try and have another video out at some point this week. I have some BoxyCharms to open. I have some ColourPop stuff. And, you know, who knows? I might do a Q&A. Maybe next week. So I might be like gathering questions on Instagram. So if you want, or if you want to ask me a question, just send it to me on Instagram Messenger and I'll answer it in my YouTube video. Okie dokie. That's everything. And I don't know if anybody else will be in the... Bianca, do you want to do the Q&A with me? It's a shrug. So if you have a question for Bianca, send it to me. And she may or may not answer it. Depending on her mood on the day that I do the video. Okay. I love you guys. And thanks for sticking with me. And I'll see you all again soon. Be safe out there. Bye-bye, kitty cats.